I just want to say my honest review about PCV. I didn't expect it like this. Um, Before I got this to previous PCV, I reached out to different outfits and something made me click PCV. I clicked the PCV because I saw the array of what they could offer. And so far, I have not been disappointed. Eh, The processes of learning, the learning class was so seamless. It's a one-on-one tutorial session whereby I'm free to ask any question that I have, and they are answered to me. I have learned a lot. The second stage, which is coming physically to their store to see the different equipment. To be frank, that was one of my major challenge. My major challenge being that I thought, oh, how do I go about knowing all the things, and how do I go about getting all the equipment I need? But PCV is a one-stop shop. It's a one-stop business in the sense that
Let's talk about something we all need: the cleaner, fresher space. Whether it's your home, your office, your salon, or your shop, cleaning is non-negotiable. But here's the truth: scrubbing on your own, it's stressful, it's time-consuming, and sometimes it just doesn't cut it. That's why we're here with high-performance cleaning equipment that does the heavy lifting for you. Got a business to run? We've got industrial-strength machines for deep cleaning, floors, carpets, tiles, and more. Just want your home to feel fresher and more hygienic? We've got smaller,
they give you training, they also give you the equipment that you need. Like you have to get you they have the equipment readily available. So it's easy for you to come there, pick anything you want, and you're good to go. So I am really happy that I picked PCV in this whole cleaning service experience. Thank you.
Thank you, ma.
Okay, so I want to join the cleaning network because I love a neat environment. I love a clean house. So I also feel that it can also be a source of income for me. Um, I'm going into this business because I feel I can make impact in this area, in this field. And my coming here, I believe that I'm going to be held by the hand through the process of learning cleaning. I don't have a forehand idea, but I believe that with PCV, yeah, PCV, I will be able to I'll be walked through the whole process of cleaning, and I will learn more.